everyone. I'm going to do something a little bit different today. So before I get started, let me give you a few disclaimers. I'm not a medical professional. I am not here to offer medical advice. I'm not here to diagnose anybody else's issues. And I strongly suggest that you speak with your doctor, medical professional, medical team, nurse practitioner, whoever you see. I strongly suggest that you talk with them in depth before you change your lifestyle. And I use the word lifestyle instead of diet because it is a lifestyle to me. I am not on a gluten-free diet. I have a gluten-free lifestyle. I'm not on a soy-free diet. I have a soy-free lifestyle. And what I mean by that is it's not only what I eat, but stuff like cosmetics, medications, lotion, soap, shampoo, conditioner, everything that is around me, chemicals, cleaning, everything has to be gluten-free, soy-free, and then there's other allergies such as latex, and anything that says natural rubber has latex in it. So that's Band-Aids, bandages, tape. Everything has to be checked. So it is a lifestyle and not a diet. And again, I strongly suggest you speak with your medical professional before changing anything. Now, having said that, I don't know if I'm developing a new allergy. If you'll go back and look through my videos, I've got one that is entitled, I have celiac disease, and it does tell you a little bit of my issues. I don't go in depth. But what I'm doing right now is I am starting a new journey as of, today's December the 8th, so it'll be December the 9th. I'm starting it. I'm going to go on a 3-day food fast. Now, I am going to be drinking liquids and everything, and I'll share that with you toward the end of the video. And I've got a detox tea recipe that I'll show you toward the end of this video. So just hang with me. I'm going to be doing like a documentary and recording, maybe not every day, but every couple of days as I change stuff in my diet. I'm doing this elimination diet, and then I'll start adding things back and seeing how I react to them, because something just isn't right, and I don't know how to put my finger on it. I have learned through my illness that doctors do not know a whole lot about nutrition. And in the area that I live in, there is no nutritionist. They keep telling me I need to see one, but there's not one here. I live in the very southeast corner of Alabama, where I'm right here on the Georgia and Florida line, so I'm kind of in the sticks, and the closest place to me with a nutritionist is 4 hours away. So I'm going to do it myself. I've done it myself for many years now. I was diagnosed in 2007 with celiac disease, and I went on a gluten-free diet. Then I discovered I was allergic to soy, and then I've discovered I'm allergic to a lot of different food items, and now I feel like I'm allergic to something else that's in my diet, so we're going to find out what that something else is. I'm going to document my weight and what I take in and everything else. And I can't tell you this is going to last a month. I can't tell you it's going to last 3 months or a week, how long, because I don't know how long it's going to take before whatever's bothering me starts to show up. You're welcome to follow me on my journey. I would love to have you, and maybe we can help each other along the way. So if you do have comments, questions, leave them in the comment section. I'll do my best to answer them. But again, I cannot diagnose you. I cannot give you medical advice. I can only tell you what I have learned from my own experiences. So, we're starting off today. And what I'm going to do is just, in general, you take your weight in pounds. Okay, I weigh 95 pounds right now, so I'm going to round it up to 100. You take your weight in pounds, divide it by 2, which would be 50, and that's how many ounces of water you need in a day's time. So I'm going to have 50 ounces of water in a day's time. I've got a Detox Tea, and I'll tell you what's in that is, it's in a gallon pitcher that I make it. I have 3 lemons, 3 limes, 1 cucumber, 1 stalk of celery, 2 medium apples, and most of the time I add ginger in there with it as well, and I just roughly chop some fresh ginger and throw it in there. I use the juice of the lemons and the limes, but then again I also put, I get all the seeds out, then put the lemons and limes that are left over in there because the pulp is very good. I just chop up the cucumbers, put them in there, chop up the apples, and drop the celery in there. And then I like the true lemon and true lime packets that you get in the bacon section, not in with the fruit drinks, because in the bacon section it's the dehydrated powder of the lemon and lime, and it does not have artificial sweeteners. It doesn't have any sweetener in it. I like that, but once in a while I like something sweet too, so I'll put Crystal Light in there. I've got a video that I'm going to attach to the end of this one to show you exactly what I do. So I'll be drinking the Detox Tea, the 50 ounces of water, and then any diet juice, like I like the cran apple juice or the cranberry juice, and we'll be doing that. What I'm trying to do is flush my system completely out of everything that's in there, and then we'll go from there and see how it works out. But during this time, I'm not going to be eating anything, any food. I'll just have liquids. And we'll start that in the morning, and then we'll be back in touch, and I'll let you know how things are going. Again, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, or if you just want to say something, leave it in the comments for me, and I will talk to you soon. Have a blessed day, and I love you. Thank you. Bye-bye. Show you how I make my detox tea, and this is what I drink when I go on a fast, or just I actually drink it anytime because it's very healthy. I'm going to go ahead and put it together now, and then in the description I'll tell you what each vegetable or fruit does to help detox your body. So to begin with, I've got the juice of 3 lemons and 3 limes. Now, this I put in here too. This is the lemon and limes that I used because the skin has a lot of benefits, and so does the pulp. So we're going to put that in there. I've got 2 medium red delicious apples. We'll put all that in there, and make sure you've got all the seeds and the core from the apples out. I've got 1 stalk of celery, and then a half of a large cucumber. That about fills up my tea pitcher. I did have a 1/4 of a gallon of ice in there. Now, to make it a little bit sweeter, I'm going to add the Crystal Light peach iced tea. I'm going to put 2 packets of that in there. And this is also made with black tea. You can put whatever you want or no sweetener at all. A lot of times I just do the True Lime or the True Lemon, and they have no sweetener in them, so a lot of times I use that. So I'm going to go ahead and mix the peach tea in a measuring cup, I don't care what size, with just a little bit of water, just so I can get it dissolved. And that way I don't have to worry about it clumping up in the tea pitcher with all the fruit and all that's in there now. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and pour that in our pitcher. And then I'm going to add the water. That ice will melt down a little bit, so I'm not going to add any more liquid. But that's it. It's simple and easy, and to tell you the truth, it has helped me get off of so many soft drinks during the day, and it does help detox your body. Like I said, read the description, and it'll have all that information in there. Thanks, guys. Please like this video, and click on the subscribe button and mash the bell so you'll be notified of my future uploads, because I'm trying to get at least 1 to 2 in a day. Thanks. Have a blessed evening.